A code consists of a two-digit number chosen from 00 to 99, followed by two different letters of the alphabet. What is the probability that the code is 12KY? Let's first start off with the two-digit numbers. We know that two-digit numbers range from 0001 all the way up to 99. So there's a total of 100 numbers. Now for the letters, we know that there's 26 letters in the alphabet, so the choices for the first letter is 26. For the second letter, it must be different. So we cannot choose the same letter as the first one, so that leaves us with 25 letters. So the number of letters is 26 times 25, which is 650. Now we want to combine both. So the number of numbers is 100, the number of letters is 650. Multiplying those, we end up with 65,000 different possible codes. So the probability, there's only one specific code with 12KY out of the 65,000. So the total probability is 1 over 65,000.